ntunda endeni go mugavana we county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simba Arati atekera nabo sio bwe committee yekoligeria obutumiki nabo igo obubagibwe kibesa anamono igoro yo mwaka 2021 2022 2023 anabo nigo Muske Arati aboligwe ko goikirana busio bwe kagambero nenchiremo yugo chekoerera enchira abeteka gutumika kibese cyo abo yasabo igo abeirika kuborigwa anande boganya kabo kugana asensemeli committee ya Public Accounts Committee alikwana kinga ngo cyari gukwanira igoro yo butumiki nabo igo bubagibwe kibesa ase county ya Kisii
Litko lya lero nande nentundende asumugavana we county ya Kisii Muske Simba Arati atanyara kuba kawikirana busio bwe committee ya County Public Accounts Committee go SIPA committee ye Senate iyo ekoligeria na kolingo lya obutumiki wechibesa ye county Mugavana Simba Arati niganyara kuba kagotuma liuko lyaye litko lya lero elyo gusaba mabera gutaikirana busio bwe committee iyo okolende asaba senator asemo senator okorae committee litko lya lero Muske Samson Cheraligei yoro mo senator we county ya Nandi anyara kuba kagotuguterale okuganyo ko wa Simba Arati gosaba wa Simba Arati.
Finally, today we were supposed to meet the county executive of Kisii to consider the audit reports and financial statement for financial year 2020, 2021 and 2022. Both the county revenue fund, the county executive and receiver of revenue.
Ogotaikirana busio we committee yo litko lya lero niyo kwanyara kuba gokolenta liberal linene ase gosebusio boba senator asanyara kuba kagoteba buna eke negetambo kerekebe goseke korekebe gochi asaba gavana bangendere kunyara kuba bagochaya wikirana busio we committee che senate Cheraligei niganyara kuba kagoteba buna nigo arachikonyara kuba kagoika busio we senate gosebusi we committee enene ye senate asara nyale kuba kagochigo kwanera naboigo kubeka amararamikaye gosamararamishaye busio we speaker buna chigavana chinyinge nigo chigendete kunyara kuba chigo chaya chi committee che senate
refusing to appear before Senate committees and disrespecting OAG and other relevant institutions as required by Constitution, and we must discuss on the floor of the House as far as we are concerned what will be the way forward, because now this is undermining the role of the Senate.
Disregard of appearance of governors, and in fact as a committee we are mulling with an option of censuring a number of governors who have failed to appear before the Senate committees, with of course serious consequences and breach of the Constitution, which forms the basis of the violation, which are impeachable offense. So I shall issue a statement and name governors who continue to disregard, disrespect, and become unavailable before the committees of Parliament. Yet we do the work that accountability is part of leadership. And in fact, in future, we are looking this as impeachment offenses, and we might end up even coming up with a motion, a legislative intervention, to allow Senate on its own motion to start impeachment proceedings against governors who fail to appear before the committee. And when they fail to appear before the committee, they violate the Constitution, they violate the law. And that ground is one of the grounds which is impeachable offense under the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya.
Bono egetambukero gyo committee gose kubwatikana nelichiko mugavana Simba Arati onyatali gochikunyara kubaka wikirana busio bwe committee yo asentundende nigo aranyara kubaka gwakwe faini ye shilingi 1500 andake gochikunyara kubaka kubwatwa onyatali gochikunyara kubaka wikirana asentunde yo.
The directions of the committee is that this matter, where governor has failed to appear, has been rescheduled twice on request of the county government led by the governor Simba Arati on several occasions on only one reason of traveling outside the country without giving the reason why he's traveling outside the country. The committee treats this as a contempt towards the committee and also inhibiting the constitutional obligation and functionality of this committee. The committee directs as follows: that formal summonses be issued through the clerk of the Senate to summon the governor of Kisii, Governor Simba Arati, to appear before the committee, and failure to which fine shall be issued against him, and also we shall direct the Inspector General of Police to look, search, and produce the governor of Kisii to provide information on usage of money that belongs to the people of Kenya on financial year 2021-2022 and financial year 2022-2023, because even the first financial year of Governor Simba Arati was to be this financial year 2022-2023. We also direct the corporation, because up to now the entity has refused to cooperate with the Office of the Auditor General and other offices to ensure the smooth auditing process of total revenue that goes to Kisii County government under Governor Simba Arati and his government.
Kuripoti ya Getembe TV kutoka kaunti ya Nairobi, Elitaliana Bugonkonyo Kangi.